was loud all week long. A million voices, all of them wrong. But now the Sunday sun is hitting the floor, and I don't feel like fighting anymore. I'm breathing in the silence of the room, thinking of the way you always bloom. You're my quiet harbor, my place to rest of all the things I found. You're the best when the tide is high and the winds are cold. You're the only hand I want to hold. Yeah, it's a Sunday kind of feeling, deep and true, just finding my way back to you. I'm letting go of the stress and the fear. Everything is simple when you're near. No more rushing, no more chase, just the steady rhythm of your grace. I'll stay right here in this golden light, knowing everything's gonna be alright. Soft and steady, slow and sweet, you're the peace that makes me feel complete. No words needed, just the air we share. I can feel your spirit everywhere. Quiet harbor, always a Sunday kind of love, peace at last.